Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about factors that affect the selection of the quantity of water. The quantity of water available at the source must be sufficient to meet various demands and requirements of the design population during the entire design period. Plans should be made to bring water from other sources if the available water is insufficient. Quality of water. The water availability at the source must not be toxic, poisonous, or in any way injurious to health. The impurities should be as minimum as possible and such that it can be removed easily and economically. Distance of the water supply source. The source of the water must be situated at near the town. Less length of the pipe need to be installed and thus economical transfer and supply of the water can be done. The source nearest to the city is usually preferred. Topography of the city and surroundings. The area or the land between the source of the water and the city should not be highly uneven. It should not have the steep slopes because cost of construction or laying of the pipeline will be high. Elevation of the source of the water supply. The source of the water must be on a high elevation than the city so as to provide sufficient pressure in the water for daily requirement. When the water is available at lower levels, then pumps are used to pressurize water. This requires an excess development and operational task and cost. It may also have been breakdowns and need repairs. Water quality. Impurities present in water and their health significance are important. Water quality standards is set by WHO and drinking water must meet these standards. Water should qualify the quality test done by the Public Health Engineering Department. Thank you for discussion. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Now you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for more lectures related to this topic.